Sound is an important part of having a professional video, and I've been using lapel mics for some time, but recently updated to these Saramonic Blink500 wireless receivers. So one of the nice things about this Saramonic Blink500 wireless microphone set is I don't even need to use a lapel mic. I can plug one in right here, but I can also just take this, put it right there, and you can hear me just fine. And I can move further away from the camera and you can still hear me just fine. In fact, I can run clear out here and you can probably still hear me. That is so awesome. Let's try further. This just shows you how great of an audio quality you can get from this far away and no wires.